Let's talk about the recently launched OPPO smartphone A18 with OPPO Glow design. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.56 inches HD plus water drop notch display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 89.80% screen to body ratio, with approximately 269 ppi pixel density, with 720 nits peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 8-megapixel main wide-angle camera and 2-megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 5-megapixel wide-angle camera, video recording, maximum 1080p and 720p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 13.1 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75, plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the phone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 75 by 8.16 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options glowing blue, glowing black colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with IPX4 water resistance and IP5X dust resistance. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO A18 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 54,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO A18? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.